The Kern High School District is taking a stand, passing a resolution in regards to Title IX, opposing transgender athletes from participating in female sports. But it doesn't carry any legal force. That's because state law says it's there to protect transgender rights. However, federal policy says otherwise. I'm Maddie Fulmer, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter, and I reached out to 23 ABC political analysts to learn more about what this resolution actually changes. A controversial vote here in Kern County. The Kern High School District Board has passed a resolution opposing transgender athletes participating in girls' sports. But the move is largely symbolic. It doesn't change state or federal policy. However, under California law, students are still allowed to compete based on their gender identity. Federal policy on Title IX and transgender athletes remains deeply contested.
The Trump administration interprets this to mean that students must play on sports teams consistent with their biological sex at birth, not according to California law or CIF bylaws.
As of June, the issue is still in flux, with different federal agencies, courts, and administrations taking competing positions. However, what does this mean for Kern County? Will transgender athletes be able to play? So ultimately, will anything change right now?
No, this is just a resolution. It's symbolic in just aligning the district with federal policy. And so at the moment, nothing will change, but this discussion is not going away. It's not going to be contained only to the Kern High School District. All school districts that have sports teams will have to make a decision.
Further complicating the issue is that there are several lawsuits filed between California and the Trump administration over which laws school districts must follow.
Ultimately, as it stands, California school districts are currently caught in the middle of these challenges.
At Monday night's meeting, the board passed a resolution in a close 3-2 vote. But members cautioned that without clear legal guidance, the district could risk losing funding.
Schools can follow the long-standing law in California and risk repercussions from the federal government, such as losing federal funding or other legal challenges. Alternatively, schools can choose to follow the federal interpretation and risk similar adverse actions against them by the state and others.
23 ABC political analyst Ian Anderson says that the board now faces a choice. If a lawsuit comes, will it be from the state or the federal government? The debate on whether transgender athletes should participate in female sports is likely to be ongoing until the Supreme Court decides to come up with a ruling. Reporting for 23 ABC, I'm Maddie Fulmer, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.